How to electronically sign a PDF file on Windows. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can electronically sign a PDF file on Windows. For this, you can use several methods including Adobe Acrobat, Microsoft Edge, or other PDF editing tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can e-sign or electronically sign a PDF file on Windows using Adobe Acrobat. For that, you will need to firstly open your Adobe Acrobat application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will need to now open the PDF document where you would like to sign. Or you may also click on the Create button at the top left and then click on Open Files and then choose a PDF document from your device. Now once you select the document, you will reach to this page. Once you reach to this page, here at the top left, you will be able to see different tabs. Click on this e-sign tab and then you will be presented with this Fill and Sign Yourself section. Now here you will need to locate Add a Signature option. Once you locate this Add Signature, simply click on the plus button and then you will be presented with this pop-up. Here now you can either type your name, draw your signature or upload an image of your signature. Once you have done that, simply click on this apply button at the bottom. Now you can place it on the desired location and resize it if it is necessary. Now you can also save this document by clicking on the file option or the three horizontal bars at the top left and then select Save As option. After that, you'll be able to save your signed PDF. So this method helps you to electronically sign PDF on Windows using Adobe Acrobat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.